Hey,
Hey Susmi, can you make me something for $10? I don't have much time with me.
that's fine. Come in.
Dal, onions, tomatoes, green chilies, garlic, turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder, oil, water, coriander. Close the lid and wait for 3 whistles. Butter, ghee, cumin seeds, mustard, garlic, hing, dry chili, onions, curry leaves, Kashmiri lal mirch, add this tadka in your dal and cover this lid for 5 minutes. Add little bit of coriander and your dal tadka is ready.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you.